let us go to the second part of the lesson, my family. Okay, my family. All right. So the topic is still the same topic, usrati. Usrati. T is my. Usra is family. So my family. Usrati. So now we will learn some other phrases. And this time, I will combine it with the verb that we have learned just now. All right. So we will combine with the verb that we have learned just now. But of course, not all of the verb and not for all the pronouns. Only for several pronouns and several verb as well. All right. So let us look at this one, the first one. So for the first one, okay, you want to ask the job of your father. Okay, the job of your father. Or what is he doing? Okay, what is he doing? Is he working or is he not working? If he's working, what is his work? What does he work as? All right, so this is the phrase. We look at the first word. Okay, we look at the first word. The first word is Maza. 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 Okay.
Maza.
Yes, Maza. Maza means what? Okay, so remember this word, Maza. If you want to ask what, you say Maza. What, you say Maza. Okay, and in our oral quiz, I will use all these questions. I will say Maza, then you, oh, that is what. Maza, you know that is what. All right, so that is the first word, Maza. The next word is this. This is a verb. Ya'mal. Ya'malu. 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 Ya'malu means work. Work or do. To do or to work, then you say ya'mal. Ya'mal. So here we translate as do. Ya'mal. Do or does, depend on the context. Ya'mal. Do you see this ya? Do you remember when I say ya, is this for huwa or for hiya, for anta, or for nahnu, for ana? From the previous lesson.
Huwa.
Huwa, yes. So when I say ya, this is for huwa, he. So who is this person? This guy. Abuka. Abuka. What is abuka? Abuka from the previous lesson as well.
Your father.
Your father. Good. Abu. Abun is father and ka is your. So we say Maza ya'mal abuka. Okay, repeat after me. Maza ya'mal abuka.
Maza ya'mal abuka.
Yes. Maza ya'mal abuka. Yes. So maza is what, ya'mal do or does, abuka your father. What does your father do? That is the meaning of the question. What does your father do? Maza ya'mal abuk. Maza ya'mal abuka? All right. So that is the first question. So for male, if you are asking a male, then of course maza ya'malu abuka. Abuka. If you are asking a female, then what do you say? Maza ya'mal abu. Okay. What about the last one? Abuka is for male.
Abuki.
Abuki. Yes, thank you. So for female, then you say Maza ya'mal abuki. Maza ya'mal abuki. Maza ya'mal abuka, your father. Okay, that is the first question. Okay. Then we look at the second question. We are still using the same verbs and the same person. But now we change the word that you want to ask the question with. So just now we learned how to say what? Maza. This time we want to say where. Where? Where does he work? Where does he work? Okay, so the word to say where is this. Aina. 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 So aina means where. Aina. Aina. And the rest is similar. Aina ya'mal abuka. Aina ya'mal abuka. Where does your father work? Aina ya'mal abuka. So again, the word ya'mal, just now I said, this can be translated as to do or to work. So here, of course, this becomes work. Where does your father work? Aina ya'mal abuka. If you are asking a woman, then you say, Aina ya'mal abuki. Aina ya'mal abuka. Aina ya'mal abuki. Okay, so it depends on the person that you are asking. Okay, so that is the second question. Aza ya'mal. All right. Any questions so far? For Maza and for Aina. Maza is what? Aina is where? Maza ya'mal abuka? Aina ya'mal abuka? Okay. Now, what about your mother? Just now we asked, where does your mother work? Where does your father work? What does your father do? Now you want to say, what about your mother? What does your mother do? And where does your mother work? So we need to change something to the sentence. So first, this is similar to the first question. Maza. Maza. So we said just now, Maza ya'malu abuka. Now you want to change Abu to your mother. Abuka, your father. Ummuka, your mother. Ummuka. This is your mother. Remember the word is mother. So and ka is your. We combine. We say ummuka. 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 Okay, that is the first one. Number two, the verb ya'mal. Just now.
The first one again, please.
Again, I mean.
First one, where does your mother work? Can you tell me again the question in Arabic?
The what? I couldn't hear you clearly. The person?
Yes. What do we say for mother actually? Can you tell me
the word.
he was like
The word for mother. This one. Ummun.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes. Ummun is mother. And abun just now, abun is father. So you can refer to the first part of this lesson. This one. This one. Okay, mother. All right. So yes, is mother. Okay, now we go back to this question. Maza. Okay, now we want to say do or does. So we involve the verb again. Okay, just now we say ya'mal because we want to use it for father, ya'mal. But now you want to use it for mother, then you need to change. Ya'mal is for huwa. Now mother is for she. She is here. So when we say here, we don't say ya'mal, we change to ta'mal. This is the ta. Okay, again I repeat. For just now we say your father, what does he do? So ya'mal. Ya for father, he. But now you want to change to mother, she, then we change to ta'mal. So with the sentence is Maza ta'mal ummuka. Again. Maza ta'mal ummuka. Maza ta'mal ummuka. Okay. Maza ta'mal. And if you are asking a woman, then of course you change Maza ta'mal ummuki. Maza ta'mal ummuki. Maza ta'mal ummuki. What does your mother do? What does your mother do? Naam. All right. So this is basically similar to the first question. Similar to the first question. The difference is that here you change to ta because now the word is for mother, for All right. Okay. And question number 4. Question number 4 is similar to the question number 2. The same question. Number 2, we say, Aina ya'mal abuka. Where does your father work? Now we want to change to your mother. So we change from abuka to ummuka. Ummuka. That is number 1. Number 2, since this is now for mother, then your verb must be changed as well. We don't say ya'mal anymore. We change to ta'mal, just like the third question. So we say, Aina ta'mal ummuka. Aina ta'mal ummuki. Okay, so this is similar to the second one. All right. So these are the questions that we are going to ask, and we will learn how to answer it. Okay. Any question for the questions? Maza and Aina. All right. So let us try this before we look at the answer. How do you respond to this question? Okay. Tell me, how do you ask? What is your mother? What does your mother do? What does your mother do? Maza, is it Maza or Aina?
Maza.
Maza. Okay, good. Maza. Okay, first you need to identify that. Oh, this is Maza. What? Do. Ya'mal or ta'mal? You want to use it for mother? Ya'mal or ta'mal? Good. So you say Maza ta'mal. Your mother, what is the word? Abuka or ummuka?
Ummuka.
Ummuka.
Ummuka. Good. So we combine, we say maza.
Maza ta'amal ummuka.
Good. Maza ta'mal ummuka. Yes. Okay. Maza ta'mal ummuka. So that is if you're asking a male. If you're asking a female, just change maza ta'mal ummuki.
Ummuki.
Okay, good. Yes, that is number one. Okay, now the second question. Where does your father work? Where does your father work? Where? Okay, what is the word to say where?
Aina.
Aina. Good. Aina. Your father. Oh, sorry. Before that, work. Work. But for father. Ya'mal or ta'mal?
Ya'mal.
Ya'mal. Your father. Abuka or ummuka?
Abuka.
Ummuka.
Abuka. Good. So what is the question? Where does your father work?
Aina
Ya'mal abuka.
ya'mal abuka.
Aina ya'mal abuka. Yes, good. Okay.
Aina
So that-
ya'mal abuka.
yes. Aina ya'mal abuka. All right. So these are the two questions that you need to know. Aina ya'mal and maza ya'mal. All right. Aina ya'mal and maza ya'mal. Okay. So now let us answer the first question. Let us first answer the first question. Maza. What? What does your father do? What does your mother do? All right. So here, I give you the answer. So here we have this word. Just now you say abuka, abuka, ab and ka, ab father, ka is your. You want to change to my father. So my father is abi, abi, ab and e, abi. So we say abi. Yes. So you use this word abi, my father, abi. Abuka, your father, abi is my father. That is number one, abi. And then just we use the word ya'mal again. Of course, since this is for father, we say ya'mal. So we say abi ya'mal. Abi ya'mal. Abi ya'mal. Okay. And then now you want to mention his job. His job. So these are just some examples. Okay, you can Google for other jobs. All right. So let us just look at some example. The first one. This is if you want to say a teacher. So this is the word. Read after me. Mudarrisan. Mudarrisan.
Mudarrisan.
Mudarrisan.
Mudarrisan.
Okay. To make it simpler, we ignore this part. So you ignore this part, you just end with this with the sin. So the word is mudarris. Mudarris.
Mudarris.
Yes. So that is the word for a teacher. We say mudarris. Mudarris. So this son, mudarris, why do we have this mudarrisan? This is the grammar part. But at the moment, we just ignore the grammar part. So, of course, to say it grammatically correct, then you say mudarrisan. But for the sake of learning the vocabulary, you just say mudarris enough. So the sentence, in the end, the sentence become Abi ya'mal mudarris. So that you can learn the individual word. Abi, my father, ya'mal works, mudarris, teacher. But since in the sentence we want to say as a teacher, then in the end you need to have this son. So mudarris, it becomes mudarrisan. So if you are able to read until the end, mudarrisan, go for it. Or otherwise you just say mudarris. It's okay. All right. So that is the first word, mudarris. Okay, let us look at these words first. So how to say a teacher? We say mudarris, and in the sentence it becomes mudarrisan. The next word, you want to say a doctor. A doctor, the word is, we ignore this part again. So this is the normal ba. We say tabib. Read after me. Tabib.
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 Tabib. Yes.
Tabib.
Tabib.
Yes, tabib. So tabib is a doctor. Tabib. We say tabib. But in the sentence later, you will hear I read tabiban. So I just add an in the end. Tabib. Tabib becomes tabiban. Tabiban. So this ban, an part is just the grammar part of it. But the word itself is only tabib. Okay. So I just want you to know the vocabulary first. Tabib. So we say tabib. Abi ya'mal tabiban. Tabiban is tabib, doctor. All right. So we have mudarris, a teacher, tabib, a doctor. All right. Okay. The next word, you want to say a nurse. A nurse. Okay. This is the word for a nurse. So again, we ignore this part. So we end it with this letter. The word is mumarrid. Mumarrid. It can be a bit difficult to pronounce. Mumarrid.
Mumarib.
Mumarrid. Yes. So mumarrid. Mumarrid is the nurse. So in this case, it is the male nurse. The male guy, the male nurse, not the female nurse. The male nurse, you say mumarrid. Mumarrid. All right. Next word. Next word is an engineer. So I have the translation in the end. Yes, you can refer to the translation. Muhandis. Okay, what is this word? Again, we skip this part. Just use the normal letter. The word is muhandis.
Muhandis.
Muhandis. Yes. Muhandis is engineer. Muhandis. So we say muhandis. Muhandis. All right. Muhandis, engineer. Next word. You want to say an officer. So we skip this part. An officer. Muwazzaf. Muwazzaf.
Muwazzaf.
Muwazzaf. Muwazzaf. So muwazzaf is officer. So
Muazzaf.
yes, muwazzaf. So we say muwazzaf. In the sentence, later it will become muwazzafan. Muwazzafan. So when you hear muwazzafan, the an part is just the grammar part. Muwazzaf. The word is muwazzaf. Yes, so officer is muwazzaf. And the last word is to say a farmer. He works as a farmer. So this is the word for farmer. Ignore this part. So the letter should end like this. Okay. So this word is fallah. Fallah.
Fallah.
Fallah.
Fallah.
Yes, fallah. Ha, the ha sound in the end. Fallah. H, the ha sound. Fallah. So fallah is a farmer. Fallah. All right. So these are the vocabularies for the occupation that you need to know. So today we just focus on this vocabulary, and in the next class we will do the sentence. All right. So again, we repeat the word mudarris. Mudarris, teacher. Mudarris.
Mudaris.
Mudarris, yes. Doctor. Tabib.
Tabib.
Yes, good. Tabib. Nurse. Mumarrid.
Mumarib.
Mumarrid, yes. Mumarrid is nurse. Engineer. Muhandis. Muhandis. Yes, muhandis. Officer. Muwazzaf.
Muazzaf.
Muwazzaf, yes. And finally, fallah. Fallah.
Fallah.
Yes, fallah. So
Fallah.
fallah, yes, is the farmer. All right.
Farmer.
So that is the first part of the occupation. But the one that we learned just now, this is for male. The male version of the word. So mudarris is the male teacher. Tabib, male doctor. Mumarrid, male nurse until the end. Fallah, male, what is the word? Yes, male farmer. Now, you want to change to a female. Because later in the question, we want to ask your mother. Let's just pretend, oh, my mother, she works as an officer, for example. Then, from the word mudarris, you add this letter. You add this. Remember what is this letter? This is the ta. The ta. This is the special ta, where the sound is sometimes the T sound, and sometimes it is the H sound. Yes, you choose which one. So, if you want to read until the end, the vowel, then you read with the T sound. Otherwise, you just end it with the H sound. So, this word now, from the word mudarris, it becomes mudarrisah. Mudarrisah. You just add the sound. So, by adding the sound in the end, it becomes a female word. Okay? So, mudarris, male teacher. A female teacher, mudarrisah. Mudarrisah. Okay, we try another one. Tabib, doctor. A male doctor is tabib. How do you say a female doctor? Tabib. You want to say a female doctor?
Tabibah.
Tabibah. Yes. Tabibah. You just end the word with the sound. Again, tabib, tabibah. Tabibah.
Tabib.
Yes, tabiba. Of course, if you want to read this, it becomes tabibatun or tabibatan. Okay, but for the at the time being, we just ignore this part. You just say tabibah, tabibah. Okay. Mumarrid, nurse, male nurse. Mumarrid. Now you want to say a female nurse. Mumarrid.
Ba. Marib. Ba.
Not mumarrid ba. The last sound is the D. Mumarridah. Mumarridah. Not ba. It is not ba. It is the last sound of the word plus ah. If the last sound of the word is mumarrid, then dah. Mumarridah. Mumarridah. Right? So this is the word. Mumarridah, a female nurse. Muhandis. Muhandis. The last sound is S. Muhandis. Now you want to say a female muhandis, female engineer. Muhandi.
Sa.
Sah. Yes. Muhandisah. Good. Muhandisah. So this is the word. Muhandisah. Muhandisah. Muwazzaf, officer. Male officer. Muwazzaf. You want to say a female officer. Muwazzaf. Okay, what is the word now? Muwazzaf. The last sound is the F.
Muwazzafah.
Muwazzafah. Yes, good. So it becomes muwazzafah. Muwazzafah. Okay, muwazzaf becomes muwazzafah. And finally, falah. Ha. The last sound is ha. Falah. Falah. Now you want to say a female farmer. Falah. What is the word now? How do you sound the word? Falah becomes
Falaha.
Falaha. Yes, good. Falaha. All right. So these are the vocabularies for occupation. And now you learn how to use the word for both male and also female. So mudarris, mudarrisa. Tabib, tabiba. Mumarid, mumarrida. Muhandis, muhandisa. Muwazzaf, muwazzafa. And falah, falaha. All right. So I believe that is enough for today. Jadi for today, please go back and please practice this question. Maza ya'malu, maza ta'malu, aina ya'malu, aina ta'malu, and also together with this word. Okay, so in the next class, we will try to practice this. You will ask your friend, maza ya'malu abuka, maza ta'malu abuka, and then your friend will respond, oh, abi, he will respond this. Abi ya'mal. If father, then of course you say abi ya'mal. Abi ya'mal. And then you mention his work. Abi ya'mal muhandis. Just use the one that we have learned here. But you are free to look for other words, of course. If your the word is not here, then you go to the dictionary and find the word of your choice. It is up to you.
Sir, I find one lawyer is muhami,
Good. Yes. Muhami. Yes.
and for police officer is
Shurti.
ta.
Shurta.
Shurta.
Shurta. Shurti actually. Shurta is police, the police force. Jama for plural we say shurta.
Okay, so
for
shurti.
yes, shurti. Yes, good. Yes, you can use that. So you want to say abi ya'mal shurti. Abi ya'mal muhami. Or you want to say I am a shurti. Yes, you can use this word. Yes. Good. All right. So this is for father. For this one, you can ignore. This is just additional word. Okay, what is important is only this one. This is his additional word. And also this one. Ummi, my mother. So for my mother, of course, since this is she, then you change from ya'mal, you change to ta'mal. So later we will practice. Abi ya'mal. Oh, this is male. So you choose this part. Abi ya'mal mudarris. Abi ya'mal tabib. Abi ya'mal muhandis. Abi ya'mal falah. If it is my mother, ummi. So ummi ta'mal. Ummi ta'mal. So this part. Ummi ta'mal mudarrisa. So just practice and we will continue inshallah tomorrow, after tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. All right. Any questions so far? All
No,
right.
no.
Okay. Thank you.